Good morning everyone. So today we are starting to do our window frames, and we decided to use a thin but flat aluminum profile so we can bend it in proper shape to make exact form as our windows. Something like that or not?
Not at all.
We didn't saw this technique anywhere, but we want to try
The window framing, and then we can start putting the plywood walls. We already drove with the car and there is no sounds at all. I mean, all those squeakings or something else that we were afraid of. And also it's super quiet. It feels so good, and it's not even finished yet. So for now we're happy with the results and let's keep working. Measured the back window, it's 3 meters 21 centimeter. I'm going to cut the aluminum. We bought this for €3 per 1 meter, so it's about €10 per this sheet of aluminum. It's kind of huge improvisation, but we already did with one window and it worked so far. So I will show you how we done it. I found something round, and this shape is around the same as the corner of the window, and I'm going to do 4 of these on our aluminum. And we almost have our first corner, maybe. I just remarked the place where I start to bend them. Don't worry too much about bending, and just one mistake and you will have to buy a new one. For the last angle I used wood. If you live in the forest you will find it. It's a bit thicker, so the corner and the angle was twice longer, so I had to use it. Don't forget very confusing markings, it also helps to make a perfect shape. Well, and the final result is looking like this. I'm pretty happy with it. Going to fit the frame, put the glue on, and after going to spray the foam. See you inside because it's starting to rain. It looks really good. I hope it's as strong as it looks. Yeah, it looks really nice. And this was the next step before we cut the excessive foam. the final touches of our window frames. Of course, it's not necessary to do it, but just in case the glue won't hold up in a long term, I just decided to strengthen up a little bit on 4 corners. And this is the final result of the window frames. We did a little bit of overkill with the foil tape and a little bit more overkill with those extra brackets to hold it even stronger. This was an experiment for us, but I believe everyone can do it since we did it on a first try. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episodes.